And finally, as the film industry continues to boom in the county and across the state, a group of adults learns what it takes to actually get into the business. The first class of the Filmmaking 101 Library After Dark filmmaking session was held at the Metropolitan Library. The 12-session course is taught in the evenings by award-winning TV show host and broadcast video production instructor Keysha Lee.
We talked about what's going to be covered in all 12 sessions, and then we got into pre-production tonight, getting the participants all excited about brainstorming their idea, location scouting, completing their scripts and their storyboards and their treatments, and pitching their ideas.
It is something I would definitely refer to my friends, because you had people here that weren't advanced, you had some people that were intermediate, and some people that did know some information.
The free class is coming to an end, but is expected to return. If you want more information, you can contact the Metropolitan Library at 404-613-5722.